What's up, everyone? Headed down to the lake. About to get out of here. Go use some of these new rods. We just got a new slab swinger. Todd Huckabee slab swinger. Gonna try it out.
12 footer.
See what they're all about. We got a new reel, some braid on it. Go test it out in a little bit. See if we can't catch some fish. See y'all out there.
Got him.
Big one.
That's a nice one right there. "18 feet of water, about 12, 14 feet down, February 2nd. But it would only spray water.
How we tie a double rig. Put your line through, 1/8 ounce on top, wrap it around 2 fingers, twist it through 3 times through your hole, hold it where you want the loop to be, cinch it down, put the 1/4 ounce on bottom, 1/4 ounce extreme sickle Pro-Bill jig head, put it on bottom and get it to go through the hole. Eyes are already punched out on these Pro-Bills, so that's sweet. You don't have to mess with that. Get a good distance. I like about 18 inches. Same thing, wrap it around your finger, 2 fingers, and go back behind 3 times. Grab it, cinch it down. Cut your tag off. Shorter than Matt Miller will. And there you go. I'm gonna put a beaver bottom bait, bone meal on the bottom because it's been catching them all day for me so far. Put it on the bottom. Put it on the bottom. And I'll put a lemon pie flea fly on the top, a little bit smaller bait because I'm using a little bit smaller hook on the top. On that, on the 1/8 ounce. There we go. Gotcha, sucker. Nice one. Got that one on the fun hook. Got that one on the fun hook. Changed up my bait right there. Thanks, Rodney Ridner. Went to a purple net bait. He said he'd been catching them on, and it worked. Felt him thump it. Just felt weight. I started picking up on that one. Not as big as I thought it was. A little different jig head here I'm using. It's got a blade on it. Hard to get right now, but it's working. It's bluegrass minnow minder. Good morning. Put the cameraman on the meat. Put you on him. Get him. He turned. He's gonna get it. He turned. Oh, got it! Got it for you! You caught that fish while videoing yourself, dude. That was crazy.
That's not a monster, man, but this weather's kind of changed a little bit, and we're just working them over right now.
Yeah. Oh, there he is.
Woohoo! That fish was shallow, dude, a foot deep.
Dang, dude, that was crazy. The fish wasn't 12 inches deep. So shallow the Livescope couldn't even pick him up. As we were going through there, we just saw him and put it down there. Oh, dude, yeah! That's a toad, bro. That's a big boy. That might be. I think that's 2-pounder. Oh man, pretty big. Dude, right there is what you come for right there. You'll never believe what that fish weighed.
What?
This thing says 142.
No way.
Yeah. 47.
Some of the craziest fish I've ever seen, actually. We caught fish in 3 foot of water, and we caught fish in 20 foot of water. Couldn't have done it without that Livescope. Almost every fish we caught today was solely based on what we could see on this Livescope.
I'm not going to say we couldn't have caught fish without a Livescope.
No, but these ones that we're fishing for,
You wouldn't have been in that area fishing, probably.
no, we wouldn't have been fishing in this area. I got one working right here.
Got a little
Potentially.
here. Potential. Get him. Get him.
No,
Nope, wasn't feeling it.
he didn't want it. He backed down.
Get that bottom one down there.
Go down.
Get that guy. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he swiped
He
at
swiped at it when he went down.
it. He's coming back for
There
round
he is.
2.
He's thinking about it. He's going to get him. He wants it. If you don't get that one, then one's on the right side of the screen over there need to be caught.
Yeah, let's go after them. Oh, there's one up high.
Yeah, get that one. Here we go. Come back. Oh, lost him. Down low is another one. A bunch of fish right here. Oh, you're about to get him. Oh, that's a little one. There he is. There he is.
Not a huge one, but
Got him on the fun hook.
got him on the fun hook.
Got him on the fun hook. What color was that one?
I was on a purple and chartreuse bonehead, actually. Pro-built cowboy orange head. Slab swinger.
Little guy.
Not
Been hit
bad.
by a boat prop or
Got been
something.
hit. Something tried to eat him. But
Get out here. Do some fishing. You can get them. That Livescope helps, but it ain't a guarantee every time. You still got to put a little bit of thought into where you're going to be. But get on the water, people.
there he is. Nice one.
Oh, there he is. That's a big one. That's a big oh! Hog! Hog! Woo! That's a big boy! Yes! That is a toad right there. 10 foot down. Woo, boy!
Caught me a hog.
That is a hog. That's a 2-pounder right there.
Yeah, that is.
That is a 2-pounder. What'd you catch that one on?
Beaver bottom bone mill. Pro-built jig head. On the slab swinger.
That is a toad.
That's a good one right there.
Feel good about that?
It feels good. Finally catch a really good one. We caught a lot of good ones today, but That's a nice one right there.
Caught that fish in 20 foot of water. You can see another good one there too. About 10 foot down. 2 pounds. You gonna let the big girls go?
I'm gonna let them go. Maybe it'll be 3 on the next run. Here we go.
Well, everyone, I'm headed home. Fished yesterday, put in brush in the morning, some spots, and we went and got the old skeeter and got back on the water. What was it, about noon?
About noon.
About noon. Went to a couple spots we've never fished before, and we found them. Got in them. Got in them pretty quick, actually. Really was just using that Livescope searching. They were anywhere from, I caught one that was, my top jig was out of the water, 1 foot deep, below the surface. The biggest one I caught yesterday, and 1 foot down, they all the way down to 18 foot. We might have been in 25 foot of water sometimes, but just searching around.
We caught fish at different depths all day. Like never a pattern of, you know, a certain depth that was better than any other. The biggest fish I caught was pretty deep. I caught a good one yesterday, probably, you know, over 2 pounds, but it was probably what, 16 foot deep?
Yeah.
14 to 16 foot deep. So it didn't really matter. As long as you got that Livescope down there, you could search till you'd find some fish at just about every spot we put it down.
Yep.
I caught mine on a bone mill beaver bottom pretty much all day long. That's what I caught all my fish on.
I used something a little different this time, just because I've been wanting to try out bladed jigs, and got this guy I showed you on the video. It's just a Granada Lake lure, Granada tackle or something. I just ordered off eBay. It has a blade. I was wanting something like that, just a little something different presentation out there, see if it worked. And I caught him on that and a pro-built jig head all day long. I always kept that one on bottom just because it had a blade. And I used this Bobby Garland minnow minder in bluegrass a lot, and a bone mill, but most of the day I was using this.
Yeah, that's just like a super cheap option too if you want to try on a blade.
Yeah, I think it was like 25 of them for like 15 bucks.
Yeah.
They're not as fancy as some of the other ones. They're not no Russell Gates jig head that he used to make, but they're good jigs. Until we get some more lined out, I'll be using these for a while.
Yeah, yeah. Definitely caught them all on, what was the bait, purple?
Yeah, I don't
purple
know that
and
color.
pink?
Purple and pink for sure.
Purple and pink, and the white and chartreuse was really our deal today, so.
If y'all like our channel, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, send in some pictures to our Facebook, Okie Slab Seekers on Facebook. Got some hats, some stuff on there people ask about. Get on there, that's where you order them at. See y'all in the water.